Hello everybody, Miss Melissa here from the East Greenwich Free Library, ready to teach you how to make your very own confetti popper to ring in the new year. To get started, let's talk about the materials that you will need, whether you picked up a kit at the library or if you're gathering materials at home to make your confetti kit. Here we go. The first supply you'll see is of course a toilet paper tube, a balloon, some star stickers, and a white piece of paper. You'll find some confetti and a pom-pom. You're not going to want to touch those yet. And not included are markers or crayons or colored pencils to use for decorating. And you'll also need to provide some tape at home as well. The first thing you're going to do is decorate that white piece of paper. That's going to be how you design your confetti popper. You can also draw directly onto the toilet paper tube, but I find that it's easier to decorate the paper first. So once you have your piece of paper decorated however you want, you're going to tape it onto your tube. So we're going to wrap it around. They should be cut just about the same size. You'll see there's a little bit of extra on the top and bottom. Kind of center that. And then just you're going to take a few pieces of tape. I'd say 3. One in the center. One right there. And then one on the top and bottom that you'll kind of fold over. So we've got one here. So I'm going to fold it over. And then one on the bottom. And there you go. Now your tube is all ready to go. Next, we are going to get the balloon ready. So you've got a balloon. They're all different color balloons. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to tie a knot into the bottom. So if a parent might need to help with this part, but you're going to get the balloon knotted just so. Once you've got the balloon knotted, you're going to get a pair of scissors. And you're going to actually cut the top right off the balloon. So you would cut right here. I've actually got one cut already. So you can see the difference. Just cut the top right off. And that will leave you with this open bottom. So you've got that balloon ready. You'll get your tube back out. And I'm going to lower this camera a little bit to help you see. You are going to stretch the balloon out on the bottom of the tube. Just like so. You can see I didn't do a very straight cutting job, but that's okay. Once you've got the balloon stretched out, so it's all the way across, you're going to just take some tape, and it could be any kind of tape, and go along the whole bottom. If you have a duct tape, that could be very sturdy. If you have a washi tape, it can be very pretty. But I'm just going to use some clear Scotch tape right now, just to secure the balloon onto the bottom of the tube. One more piece should do it. And there you have it. Your confetti launcher is ready to go. The next step is the fun but messy part. All you need to do now is get the confetti in there ready to pop. Now, I included some pom-poms, just a few because otherwise they'll get stuck. 1, 2, 3. Those are fun because they are easy to clean up, so you can do it over and over again. But I also included some paper confetti, which can look really cool but can be a mess to clean up. So you might not use it more than once. So you might, if you want to practice launching, you might want to do that with just the pom-poms. When you're ready for the real countdown, maybe then you add in the confetti. Or the confetti's easy enough to make at home. All I did was I hole punched some colorful paper. So if you have a hole puncher at home, you can punch some paper and load up the confetti. Once I get this loaded, I'm going to lead you through my own mini countdown, so you can either practice with me or you can save it and use this for when you're ready to do the actual countdown. But let's get those confetti launchers ready and get ready to celebrate. Look at all that confetti! Okay, friends, I've got my confetti popper ready, and I'm ready to count down to the new year. So we're going to count down from 10 to 1. You want to do a practice count with me? Let's practice this. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when we get to 1, we're going to yell, Happy New Year! And send that confetti in the air. Okay, let's do the real thing now. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Great job, everybody. And I know mine still got some confetti in there, so we're going to do it again. Wow! Happy New Year, everybody. I hope you had fun with these confetti poppers. I hope you don't make too much of a mess at home. Happy New Year. Bye.
Three, two, one.